How to apply for a loan in Bank of Baroda. First, open a preferred web browser and go to the URL box and type in bankofbaroda.in and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, click on the Loans tab at the top of the screen and then look for the loan you'd like to apply for. You can select between home loan, personal loan, vehicle loan, education loan, gold loan, and so on. Select the type of loan you'd like to apply for and give it a click. Now, you'll be able to find the Apply Now button. Right after you do that, click on the Apply button and then you'll be able to see the documents required for the loan application. Go ahead and go through the information first and then click on the Proceed button at the bottom. Now, you'll need to enter some of your details. Enter your mobile number and enter the OTP sent to your mobile number to get started. After you are done entering both of your information, click on the Submit button and then follow through the prompts till the end. On the next page, you'll be able to see the application form. Make sure to enter the information correct. Go through identification, address proof, income documents, and any additional documents specific to the type of the loan you are applying for, and you'll be able to apply for a loan with Bank of Baroda. That is how you'll be able to do it. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.